Hello, welcome along to a new video. So for this one, I'm going to be looking into a suggestion I got in one of my comments. It was to check out money insurance scams. There was this guy had pretty much lost everything that he had worked for. So got me curious, got my little bit of research done. So I've got a few little tips for you here on money insurance scams and that sort of thing. And once we get that done, I'm going to give you a couple of my own views on just your safety online whenever it comes to finances and your safety in general. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing to be aware of is promises of guaranteed high returns with no risk. Legitimate insurance or investment products don't guarantee huge profits without any risk. If someone claims your money is fully protected while offering unrealistic high returns, that is a red flag. Scammers often prey on the desire for quick, safe gains. Number two is pressure to act quickly. Scammers frequently use urgency tactics like limited time offers or act now before it's too late. This is to rush you into a decision without proper research or consideration. Genuine financial products give you time to evaluate. Number three is unlicensed or unregistered providers. Legitimate insurers and financial entities are regulated and licensed by government authorities. For example, state insurance departments, that would be the US. If the company or agent can't provide verifiable credentials or isn't registered with a recognised authority, that is a big warning sign. Number four is vague or overly complex explanations. Scammers might dodge clear questions about how the insurance works, where your money goes, or what it covers. Alternatively, they may bury you in confusing jargon to hide the scam. Legitimate providers offer transparent, straightforward terms. Number five is requests for unusual payment methods. Be wary if they ask for payments via wire transfers, cryptocurrency, gift cards, or cash, especially if they insist on bypassing traditional banking channels. These methods are hard to trace and recover, making them favourites for scammers. Number six is unsolicited offers. If you're contacted out of the blue via email, phone, or social media about a money insurance deal you didn't seek out, it's often a scam. Fraudsters cast a wide net to find vulnerable targets. Number seven is lack of proper documentation. Legitimate insurance comes with clear contracts, policy details, and disclosures. If they can't provide official paperwork or the documentation looks unprofessional, for example, there may be typos in there, some missing details, that's a huge sign of trouble. And number eight, too good to be true claims. Offers like 100% money back guarantees with no conditions or insurance that covers every possible loss without exclusions defy how insurance actually works. Real policies have limits and terms. Scams rely on impossible promises. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful whenever it comes to the whole money insurance thing. It's my research covered a wide variety of things there, but very simply, in my mind, whenever it comes to anything online, whether it's the internet, Facebook, Instagram, whatever it may be, if someone contacts you directly via social media these days, be very wary of anything that comes through there. You need to remember, everybody that's going to contact you has got an agenda behind them. Absolutely everybody, myself included. I make these videos in the hopes that they're going to help people, but I'm not going to make any lie about it here. I want your like, your share, and subscribe. That's my agenda for making videos, trying to build a channel here. But my stuff goes out 100% for free. And as I say, there's always something there, no matter how much you think someone can be trusted. They're definitely there to try and, I don't want to say scam you, but there's definitely a hidden agenda behind absolutely every interaction online these days. And, unfortunately, a lot of it has to do with money and the people's want and need to take your money for the least amount of work possible, really, at the end of the day for most people. So be very wary about everything you come across online. The only other tip I would give you right here is if something does pop up, Facebook in particular is a disaster for this at the minute. I've seen so many accounts lately that have been hacked by someone, some sort of scammer, and it all comes down to some sort of a link that they have seen on either a photograph or something, and they'll click into it. That gives the person, you know, the in to get into their account. You know, if there's anything that you're genuinely curious about, never click a link. Absolutely never ever click a link. I don't do it, never will do it. I did get kind of scammed once, way back in the day, via a link that came through an email, but I was able to get that sorted out within a couple of hours. Didn't lose any money at the end of the day, get everything back. But it was simply an email come in, and got curious, clicked the link within the email. If memory serves right, it was disguised as Amazon. I think it was like an Amazon offer sort of thing. So it looked like it did look like genuine Amazon email coming through. It's very, very, very easy to recreate absolutely anything these days. So if there is something that genuinely catches my interest, I don't trust the link, the source where it came from. I will do a Google search on that there and bypass that link altogether. And you know, again, if it comes down to Amazon or something out there, they come at you through an email or something, go to your own Amazon account and look up in there. Don't trust the link to get to it. Go to the Amazon app itself or whatever. If it's a genuine thing, genuine article, you're going to get it on there. I think that's pretty much it. It's insane these days that the vast majority of people just cannot be trusted at the end of the day. Everybody has an ulterior motive. I can't recall the last time I was personally contacted online by someone, even in my own real life circle, just to genuinely ask how I'm doing. Never really happens anymore. Like, somebody will come out of the blue, you haven't heard from them in maybe months or years, and it'll be the friendly opening conversation, and then the other shoe will drop, and they're looking something from me for free or cheap. It is what it is. That's where we're at these days. Disaster. So be careful online, especially when it comes to your finances. Don't let yourself be taken advantage of, because there is more people than enough out there that are willing to shaft you to get themselves one step up the ladder. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Stay safe. I'll talk to you in the next one.